100% compostable cases from Pila. I have two. Also, I have two phones as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you Pela cases and why you should choose one. Disclaimer, this video is not being sponsored by Pela cases. So just to let you know. Let's start with the video. This is Stefan. So we have two cases from Pila. We have, this case is pretty good. This is my Mrs. case for the Huawei P20 Lite. Also, I have this one for my Pixel XL 2. Pretty good cases. I'm going to leave the main website in the descriptions down below. Check them out. Pretty good. Also, the price for Huawei P20 Lite, the case was $29 USA. The price for my Pixel XL 2 is $33 USA. Some people think that the price is a little bit high, but I think these people, they do pretty good for the environment and for the planet. All the cases are 100% compostable, eco-friendly cases. If you need something different, eco-friendly, check them out. Pretty good cases. They have a different colors for every day. Also, all the cases are washable with soap and hot water. So if you want to keep your case fresh, tidy and clean, you can do that. Also, some people complaining that they don't have very good protection, but in my case it's pretty good. The case will give you some protection, but if you're looking for something extra protection, you should look for something else. Let me show you how the Pixel XL 2 will look like on the case, which is pretty good. As you can see, looks pretty nice. And something cool that I like a lot is that, as you can see here, the edges covers all the edges, which this is pretty good. So looks pretty good. Let's put the Huawei P20 Lite. I like this color as well. Pretty good. As you can see, looks nice, tidy, looks different. Like I mentioned on the beginning, I like it. It's soft on a touch. If you want something, like I said, something more extra protection, you should look for something else. They do screen protectors as well. The price is alright. Eco-friendly cases from Pila, which is amazing. So I think they do pretty good, and they have different variety cases. So far, good. I like it a lot. I hope many people check this video. I think they do pretty good for the planet, for the environment. So yeah, I'm happy to be honest. And the case looks pretty good. Let me know, what do you think? Are you planning to buy a Pila case? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and like it. I'm going to see you in my next video.